It's all you can eat, but you have to eat carefully. Is it supposed to taste like this? This is really crunchy. She uses her powerful paws to expose a hidden snack. Rock eels. Scout thinks he has the muscles for the job. While Amber lets her mother do all the heavy lifting. And the clever Raven collects his reward. Hey, that was mine! Ouch! Back at the beach, the salmon have finally arrived in large numbers. This is where Sky and her cubs need to be, and soon. You know when a wolf's walking like that, he's up to something. Slow and steady. The thief at work. Impressive. And he didn't even get his tail wet.